welcome back, guys. And remember, this is part 2 of Memorial Weekend here in Miami. And yeah, we're here at Beer Can Island, and I had to wait a few minutes for a boat to leave so I could find a little spot and back in. Because you guys noticed, the island is pretty packed. And yeah, we have people here that they're gonna stay on their boats, and some that are gonna go ahead and camp out on the island. So let's go walk around and see what everybody's up to.
Mira quién está aquí. Qué bolón, qué bolón. What's up?
Oh, you on live? Yo,
Yeah,
mi gente, ya tú
chilling.
sabes que lo que. You already know what it is. Fresco tonight. We out here. We in the island.
Chilling.
Tranquilo Tropical history makers. You know?
It's always good to meet up with friends, but I'm gonna start heading back because it's time to make that dinner. Yes, this video has been very challenging in editing because of all the music being played in the background, and I don't want to get a copyright strike because everywhere you look there's a party going on. There's a party next to us, behind us, and on the other side of us, and that was pretty cool because they have like a bonfire set up and their music is really loud.
There we go. It's burning. There you go. Getting ready for our food. And then more party people. There's party people everywhere. Everywhere. You ready to party, people? We're gonna be up the whole night. You gonna be up the whole night? Yeah, with this music. Alright guys, so 10 o'clock at night, and like you can see, the party's still going on, but I gotta go take a shower, and I think I'm gonna call it a night because I am tired. So, alright. And bright and early, and the party's already started here. Everyone with their radio really loud so early in the morning that I guess I just wanted to wake up to a quiet, peaceful morning. But it's okay. I guess it's the weekend and it's time to party. But now we're leaving the island, heading our way over to the boat ramp to pick up my friends that they are gonna spend the day with us here at the Sandbar. And as you can see, a lot of people stayed overnight. Normally, when I stay here, there's probably about 10 to 12 boats. But this weekend, there's at least 30 to 40 boats. So many people here already, so early that it looks like no one went home.
Memorial Weekend. As you guys see, Sandbar is full, right? Look at the host of the show. What you can't forget when you do a barbecue? Aha! Sausages. But we got special kind of sausage today. I don't even know what that's called. Some kind of snake sausage or something. So we're trying something different today. Salchicha. We got some neighbors. Look at the neighbors. Oh.
Yo! What it do? Follow me, it be Kevin.
We got some neighbors. We got a fisherman. And we got. Woo.
And like you can see, everyone is having a good time, so let's walk around and see what's happening.
you saw, everyone's having a great time. And I'm surprised because of all the years of us coming here to the Sandbar, I've never seen so many people and so many boats. I guess it was a mixture of the Memorial Weekend, the Urban Weekend, and the Air and Sea Show that brought everybody together. And it was really cool meeting everybody that watches the channel. And even Olita found a friend that she hasn't seen in a long time. But you know you can't come to the Sandbar without getting ice cream for the kids.
That's not different.
So let's keep walking around and see what everyone's up to.
Mira para esto como uno acá adentro, mira. Como uno. Y hay más metido acá abajo.
Oh my God.
En el área emocionado.
Yes, after spending 2 days in the water between the Sandbar and the islands and hanging out with a whole bunch of friends, we decided to leave a little early because we didn't want to get caught in the ramp traffic of everybody leaving at once. And also something that we learned today is that if you're picking up people on your boat or jet ski, make sure it's from the boat ramp, not the gas station nor the docks by the gas station. And remember guys, to check out part 1. And also if you haven't subscribed and liked this video, go ahead and do so.